How to use the Tector Needle Sheath Prop, protecting against needle stick injuries, developed by MicroCare Medical. OSHA and the CDC recommend safety devices to facilitate one-handed recapping while giving injections. Tector Needle Sheath Prop is a disposable card that promotes this practice. The simple design encourages compliance. Step 1. Assemble the syringe with anesthetic and cap needle as usual. Step 2. Holding the assembled syringe, insert the cap through the needle sheath, aligning the ridges of the needle cap with the grooves around the hole. Push the needle cap through the hole to the collar of the cap. Step 3. Hold on to the cap behind the needle sheath and pull it off. Place the Tector needle sheath on the tray with the open end of the cap facing up. Step 4. After the anesthesia is administered, use the one-handed technique to recap. Insert the needle into the cap, bring the syringe vertical, and apply light pressure. Step 5. When the procedure is complete, disassemble the syringe, keeping the Tector needle sheath on the cap. Step 6. Push the cap out of the card into Sharps collection container. Step 7. Dispose of the Tector needle sheath. For more information on the Tector Needle Sheath Prop, visit microcare.com/Protector.